If you have this red light blinking on your M310 mouse, that's time to replace the battery. And by the way, these are excellent mouses. I absolutely love this mouse. Did not have problems with it, good range, but also the pointer is very easy, very smooth, accurate, nice clicking action. The wheel is not too light, not too heavy, easy to scroll, excellent ergonomics. It's a medium sized mouse. It's not the smallest one, not the bigger one. I did not have problems with this one in the past 2-3 years, I think. Now be aware of one thing. If you buy them off Amazon, which in my opinion it's really going downhill, you have a big chance to get a fake one. Get them from stores like Staples, whatever. Maybe you can find them in Walmarts and other other specialty stores, but be sure to get them in stores. If you get them from Amazon and it doesn't work correctly or it fails very soon, you know you got a fake one. And by the way, Amazon reviews are as fake as it gets. They are just, like I say, going downhill. They have people on Facebook groups who post those reviews and upvote them to keep them at the top. And it's just, anyhow, you get the idea. That's what Amazon is going on.